show you how to upload images within text on your pages. What you're going to do is log into School. Once you're on the page that you want to add the image to, just select your cursor where you want that image to be, then select the image icon, select Browse Server. This is going to take you to the server where all your images are going to be kept that you upload within Content Area. To upload a new image, select Upload, and then you can select one or you can select multiple images from here. Click Open, and then your image is going to pop up within this area. Just double click the image that you want to upload. You can only do one at a time. It's then going to pop up this box here asking you to size the image. You can pop a border on there and you can put some space between them and align the image. If you keep an idea in your head that the width of a page is around 600, so this is quite a large image, I'm just going to resize that down to 200. Keep this padlock locked to ensure that the image doesn't go distorted, and you can see on the right hand side just a preview on how that image is going to look. With your border, you can just simply type in 2 or 4 and it's going to go thicker as the numbers go up. The space here is just the space between the image and the text around that image. So if I was to put in a space of 10 either way, you can see it's just going to create a little bit of gap between the text and that image. Aligning here means that you want to align the image to sit on the left or the right of the text. So if I just pop left here, you'll see that the text is then going to go on the right hand side of the image. You can also use this option here to link the image to a URL elsewhere. Once you're happy with your options, just click OK, and you can see that that image has just popped up there in that text area. I'm just going to scroll down now and just press Save. Now if I go back to my website page and just refresh that, you can see this image sitting on the left hand side there. If you do want to change this image or you want to resize it, all you need to do is double click the image and that box is going to pop up again, and you can just change the width, the height, etc. until you're happy with it.